All right. Let's see how we're doing. Okay. Okay. All right. See how you can't go as far this way,
Yeah.
but you can go a lot further this way.
Mm-hmm.
So your C5, C6 is probably stuck, but I am going to check your first rib. So is that tender when I push right here?
A little bit.
A little bit? Okay, so let's feel the first rib here. So is that tender?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, then you feel this move. Oh, not too bad. You all right?
My face. That was crazy.
All right, so you're going to feel this move first. Good. And now let's get that C7, C6. Good. Good job.
That was life changing.
Yeah. That did move very well. Very well. All right, let's double check it. Good. Okay. Awesome. Very good.